Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to fix RCD connecting on Discord. If Discord is stuck on RCD connecting and you can't join voice channels, several troubleshooting steps can be helped. Now here, what you want to do is, first of all, you could actually go ahead and make sure to restart Discord. So for that, what you want to do is completely close Discord from the browser itself, and what you could also do is right click on the mouse anywhere in order to launch open the task manager, and then if you locate Discord right over here, right click on the mouse and click on end task. Once you do it, so now then try restarting your Discord application. See, that should be able to fix your issue all at once. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, you could also go ahead and open up Discord and go to user settings at the bottom of the page. Next, you simply want to go to voice and video. Here you want to go to debugging first of all, and next you simply want to disable the option for this. And after you've actually done it, so try launching this, try checking whether you're able to fix your issue or not. Similarly, if the issue still persists on, what you could do is, if you have an application, you could then locate Discord. Now I do not have the application, so I'm just gonna go with this and click or open up the file location. And next, what you have to do is go to the Discord file location, right click on the mouse and click on properties. As you go to properties, go to compatibility and make sure that run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, as well as run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click the OK button. Now then restart your PC and try launching Discord. See, that should be able to fix your issue. If not, what you could also do is you could also try disabling any sort of antivirus or firewall. So for that, you want to come to the search bar and type in virus and threat protection, and then simply disable real-time protections, and that will be able to fix your issue. Despite doing all the procedure, if nothing works out, then you want to consider uninstalling Discord and then reinstalling the updated version. That will be able to solve your issue. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.